In the Russia-Ukraine war, we hardly see any large bombers or batteries attacking cities. When it comes to bilateral negotiations, even if there are many disagreements, one proposal is always accepted by both sides, that is, to establish a humanitarian corridor for the civilians to evacuate. So in general, this war is a low-intensity war, though it's not a miniature war, and there are no heavy civilian casualties. Of course, there will be civilian casualties in a war like this. Why? That's because Russia's aim is to control the situation in Ukraine indirectly or to dominate the whole country directly. Either way, if the war goes to extreme, it will be pretty difficult for Russia to take further actions. Through it, we can analyze some laws of human war. War has always been a part of human history. It can be classified into 4 categories: the war between countries, the war between nationalities, the war between religions, and the war for dominance within a country. The former 3 kinds of wars usually fall into the category of hatred war. Therefore, morality is not to be considered. Take Soviet-German War as an example. Germany attacked Soviet cities with heavy bombardment recklessly. Then when the Allies attacked Germany, Soviet Red Army also bombed Berlin in a merciless way. Only the 4th kind of war, the war for dominance within a country, belongs to low-intensity war, because he wants to rule this place in the future. If terrible hatred rose up among civilians, it would be hard to govern the place when the war ends. I talk about this to stress that with the continual development of science and technology, humanity will soon be exterminated. To avoid it, we must restrict the development of science and technology. We can only achieve that by great unification of all mankind controlling science and technology with the power of world regime. This is what I have been advocating for more than 40 years. Then I would like to talk about a great unified society. Since there would be no country when the great unification is realized, the number of troops would be minimized. In that society, even if a war begins, it is only for dominance within a country with lower intensity. So a great unified society would be a place where humanity will not be exterminated, and people can enjoy a sense of security and general well-being.